Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I will show you how you can buy the Wakanda Inu coin in your Trust Wallet account easily. First of all, you have to go your D apps and then open the Pancake Swap Finance button. Then here you have to select your Smart Chain BNB, whether you want to swap your BNB into your Wakanda Inu token easily. Guys, before buying the video I will show you some interesting thing about the Wakanda Inu tokens in the coin market cap. You see here the coin market cap after the pre-sale is over. Here the token price almost up to 300% in the last day. So in the last day you have to see there is coin market cap. The price is going up and up, higher and higher. Guys, before investing any single penny, you have to research before on yourself, and it's a really big meme coin coming, and it's an African meme coin. So see the next where this coin will goes up and up. So when you see the time graph of Wakanda Inu coin in the 1 month, you see here all time high they have achieved already. You see the trading volume of 24 hour is 47 million, and its all time high is 0.82, and it's a very big achievement of this coin. So talk about is the market. Here the Pancake Swap v2 also you can buy here, and the Appy Swap also available. You can buy here from easily. I will show you from the Pancake Swap where you can buy easily. Guys, when you talk about its website, you see here in the website it's a decentralized meme token, and it's the charity based meme token, and this will the entirely social good across the globe. And this Wakanda system, you see the here the distribution system of the coins. Here the public sales are the 100% unlocked, and the charity is a 5% quarterly, where the 5% is liquidity already 30% locked, and the marketing is the 20%. And this will achieved within a years, and this is the right time to buy this token. Guys, when you check it's the Twitter account, you see here already they have 9,000, almost 10,000 coming to this token, where they are going. And according to it's the recent update, the Wakanda Inu token is already engaged in the RokuPay, and it's so you can trade here with the Wakanda Inu tokens with the RokuPay. RokuPay is the exchange where you can buy, sell, and transfer your money in the anywhere in the world. And here they see the dog coin, the Shiba token. What do you think? Where the Wakanda Inu is also being a meme coin in the next few years. Guys, if you are new in my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for the latest upcoming videos. And guys, many people are facing the gas phase issue problems while they are buying and swapping the tokens into your interested, and this will happens every time and with everyone. I make this video regarding how to fix the Pancake Swap transaction errors. Here you see, watch my popular video on my channel, and absolutely you will fix your problem. Now guys, let's come to the topic where you can buy this token easily. Then open your Trust Wallet account. Here you have to select your BNB. If you have don't any BNB, first convert your BNB into your Smart Chain BNB. Whether you have, I have here 0.008, I want to invest here 0.002 BNB Smart Chain BNB, and here select your currency. In currency you have to put there your contract address of your interested token. For this, open the coin market cap, then open the Wakanda Inu token, and then copy this contract address from this. I will mention in the description the link of the coin market cap. You can easily copy the contract address from here, then paste the contract address here. Here the Wakanda Inu token will appears. Then click on the import button, and then click on the I understand. Click on the import. Then here you see with 0.002 BNB I have these tokens. Click on the swap button. Then this is a confirmation. accept, confirm swap. Guys, here I have selected all the when the smart contract call is executed, you see here the network fees of this token is $0.51 and it's nothing. My maximum total will be spent is $1.76 because it's a meme coin and I want to spend very less amount of my budget is on the meme coins. So with the by applying on a approve button you easily buy this token. So come to the on your trust wallet. When you open your trust wallet, enter on the token button, search token here, then paste here the contract address of your interested token. If they will not appear because its logo is not appeared yet, then add on a custom token. Here network you have to select on network here smart chain BNB. When you select the smart chain BNB, paste the contract address of Wakanda Inu token there. You see the Wakanda Inu token name, symbol, and the decimal appeared here automatically. Then click on the done button. You see the price and the percentage of the coins is appeared here. Click on the analytics. When you open the analytics of the coins, you see here the market cap is not fully functional now. By the way, the volume of 24 hours is operational. So you see here the $47 million is the current volume on 24 hours. Guys, when you check the Wakanda Inu token on the CoinGecko website, here you see the price of the coin is increasing constantly and this will appear here. So here I have to put the dollar. I want to spend $1. You see with the $1 you have to purchase 2 million token. If want to invest $50 here, you see the 122 million token you can buy easily. So in the time graph you see here within 1 hour it's already down 1% and in 24 hours it's almost up to 284% up because it's an African meme coin and they are investing many whales are entering in this token. Guys, I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing any single penny on any token. Do your own research then buy this token. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.